law enforcement officers. It can't be business as usual. And I said to the commissioner as well, JMPD used to call 999 if their officers are shot. Why are you not doing it to the officers? That's number one. And we should be doing 999 also to every citizen that has been shot dead, whether in Soweto, anywhere in the city. It can't be business as usual. You need to ransack the city. You must make these thugs ungovernable. Something has got to give, because they think that they are going to shoot people and nothing's going to happen to anyone. There's firepower, colleagues, here. There's firepower. We've got guns here. We've got everything, and we're government. We can't have individuals assassinating people in front of our eyes, and it's business as usual. We have to come out from vacation and come back here, not in the city of Joburg. We want those people dead or alive. Anyone throw the gun tonight, we shoot to kill. It can't be. It can't be, colleagues. What the notorious JMPD we know for our...
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. You know what makes me angry? It's this anger, this temporal anger that will last for only 2 weeks. Then after that, everything will go back to normal. It will be business as usual. We know this. This is our country. We know how they are operating. We know how they operate, our leaders, our officials. They are angry now because the citizens are still angry. Once we cool down, everything is going back to square one. Where are our kids? Where are those inspectors who were running around inspecting spaza shops, claiming to be arresting and closing down those spaza shops? Is there any spaza shop that is closed as we speak in this country? All of them are operating, even those who unalived those kids. And what I always say is, I'm always complaining about this guy, this EFF guy, to be there. I know he's working. He used to work so hard, but as a guy, as an official that is coming from an unpatriotic party like EFF, he is not qualified to be in that office. This office of being the MMC of safety in a city like Joburg, a chaotic city that is invaded or overcrowded by illegal foreigners. I don't think he's supposed to be there. A patriotic leader was supposed to be in that position. I know it's because of the votes and all this, but really, it's like you are putting water together with oil. How can someone who his party is fighting for illegal foreigners be there to fight illegal foreigners? It doesn't make sense to me, seriously. But anyways, guys, this is what is going on in this country. Let's just wait and see how long will this anger last, because we know them. It's just for few minutes. Then after that, everything will be okay. Those criminals, and they are busy announcing that we will arrest those criminals during the weekend. Why not arresting them now? Because they were already identified. They are known already. Why not arresting them now? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to state your own views on the comment section. Like, share the video, and subscribe. Love you guys, and please enjoy your Christmas and your New Year. Don't forget to be safe wherever you are. Love you so much. Bye.